Hello, I'm Rich Lucas with Staten Island Yachts at the 2023 Viking VIP. What's great about the show this year is we have the new 90 convertible and the Valhalla V55. We happen to be sitting on a 64 convertible, which Staten Island Yachts will have available come mid-July. Come check out the show.
Hey, it's Todd Van Doren, longtime customer of Staten Island Yacht Sales. Bought our first Viking from Frank Buongiorno back in 1984. We have a beautiful 41 Valhalla. We have a 44 Viking that we can't be happier with, and we just have a 72 on order. Can't say much about Staten Island and all the wonderful people there.
Thank you for checking out the 2023 Viking VIP. I'm Rich Lucas with Staten Island Yachts. If you have any questions about Viking or Valhalla, please don't hesitate to call.